The Axcelis 429292 rev.d is a multi-axis stepper motor control used in the indexing of a 2-point robot. This robot is used in the semiconductor industry. We have repaired a number of these indexing boards over the years, with rev.d being the newest type. The board came to ERD not functioning on one axis, so we rebuilt both sides, and as shown in the video, we attached the board to one of our many stepper motors. We test each side one at a time since they are truly independent channels. We then run the motor for an hour or so to make sure there are no potential thermal issues. At ERD, we repair a wide array of Axcelis boards and power units for various tools used in the semiconductor industry. Many part numbers are set to a tool and can actually be functional equivalents to other Axcelis part numbers.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.